Welcome back, guys, to another video here with Eric Gray. So today we got a chrome bumper here. I haven't showed you guys the car yet just because I haven't had a lot of time just with school, work and all that. But I was taking some parts apart so that way once it gets nice out, put it on back on and everything's nice and shiny. Because when I bought the car, I just washed it up to head in the garage for a very long time. So just a whole bunch of oxidation, a little bit of like, I wouldn't want to say rust, but it's just kind of like right there, but I'm pretty sure most of it could come off. So we're gonna basically polish it up, bring it back to life, and then we'll show you guys here the before and after. But most of it, I just got my my drill here with the little polishing pad, and then I got the Chemical Guys, I forgot what it was called. I got it a while ago, as you guys can see, it's like half empty. I think it's called Metal Polish Chemical Guys. Alright guys, so I went ahead and covered this piece, so that way we don't get compound down here. But this is the bumper. Overall, it's not like too bad. Just the bottom side, it's really bad. So we're gonna be using some steel wool also as well. It's the grade 4/0s because you don't want to scratch it up with any higher ones. I went ahead and took this one off because they had done some wiring. So then on this one I just unplugged it, so that's why this one's still in. But that's basically the bumper. The top is not too bad, but I'm gonna still polish the top. But as you guys see, there's a whole bunch of like this stuff, so we're gonna try to see what we could get off and what we can't. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start on this bottom side. For a used car, it's a 1982. We're not gonna say the name yet. It's just a 1982. It's like all original parts, so of course they're gonna be oxidized, look kind of bad if like someone doesn't maintain them as well. But we're just gonna try to see what we could bring back to life. I might end up taking these off, just because, why not? I may take off all the screws right now, so that way I'm not struggling, and I get everything all good. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and took off the screws on that one. They were the T45 Torx. And then I would just leave these on because there's kind of like a little metal piece behind it. So I'd rather just polish that up. And then once I get that polished off, throw on the screws on that side. And then throw the screws, take the screws off on this side, my bad. And then, yeah, I try to take this off. But I think there's probably another screw that goes through here. So I just won't mess with that and just kind of do my best and polish it on the outside. So we're gonna get started here. I'm gonna just try to hit any of the bad spots with the steel wool and then the metal polish, and then just swipe it down with some microfiber towels. I just got a couple microfiber towels, and then just swipe stuff down as Alrighty guys, so as you guys see, I went ahead and did it, and then where all the bolts were, like right here, and then like right there, there was like rust. Now it's basically gone. Now the goal is just to polish it. I ain't here to like lie to you guys, make sure it looks perfect, but as long as it looks better than before, that's all I really care about. And then where I'm happy. As you guys see, we're like because this car was like repainted, So all where the trim was, like you kind of see right here where it's all shiny, I guess all those little like specks and stuff is like overspray. Probably they didn't mask it right. Overspray got on it. I'm not really sure how to get rid of that, but I'm just gonna polish it up, see what happens. But as you guys see, like right here, it looks super shiny. That would basically be if they didn't repaint it and or mask it right at least. This bumper would have looked brand new. It's alright. We're just gonna polish it up and see what happens. Alrighty guys, so here it is. I polished this side up twice, as you guys saw. So it kind of seems like the swirls and all that, they kind of went away. It's just that all those little specks, I'm guessing it's the overspray, so it's alright, not too worried about that. Kind of like right there, all those little specks, it's just going to be overspraying, so it kind of is what it is. Because as you guys see, there's not horribly a lot of swirls. It's just all those little specks, so I'm just trying to get it somewhat good. Do the same thing to the other side and then call it good. But let's just show you guys real quick. So we got mostly rid of. I couldn't really get in there, but I'll try my best. But as you guys see, that compared to that looks better. And then all of that stuff, we're just gonna try to get rid of most of what we can, and then that'll be good enough. Alright guys, so basically there you have it. As you guys see, this side looks a lot better than this side. As you guys see all those like stains or whatever, we kind of minimize those just that overspray kind of look. But as you guys see, that before and then that after, just a little bit more touch-ups and we'll be good. And then for these screws, were the ones that I was taking off, I just hit it with the steel wool. As you guys see, those are all, we'll let it focus, those are all rusty, and then I just hit it on the outside a little bit, and then now they're kind of nice and black. Just put some like PB Blaster WD-40 so that way they slide easier, and then that's basically that. I'm gonna just go right ahead, finish this side, so that way we don't make a long video. I'm gonna just finish this side, show you guys the end results, and then we'll call it that. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Other than that, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Peace. Alrighty guys, so here we got the final results. As you guys see here, that one was really bad, so I couldn't really get out. That's pretty sure it's rust. But then overall, not too bad. That one right there, rust. And then I took off that license plate cover, and then I just went ahead and polished it.